Welcome to our captivating video entitled The Most Out of Your Yearly Meal Subscription. Meal subscriptions have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy individuals and families. With a yearly meal subscription, you can enjoy the benefits of having pre-measured ingredients and recipe cards delivered right to your doorstep. In this guide, we will explore tips and tricks for maximizing the benefits of your yearly meal subscription, so you can make the most out of this convenient meal solution. 1. Plan your menus. One of the key advantages of a yearly meal subscription is the ability to plan your meals in advance. Take the time to sit down and create a weekly or monthly meal plan using the recipes provided by your subscription service. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. 2. Coordinate deliveries. Most meal subscription services offer flexible delivery options. Take advantage of this by coordinating your deliveries to align with your schedule. If you know you will be out of town or have a busy week ahead, you can easily skip a delivery or reschedule it for a more convenient time. This way, you won't end up with a surplus of ingredients or miss out on a week of meals. 3. Reduce food waste. One common concern with meal subscriptions is the potential for food waste. To avoid this, pay attention to the quantities of ingredients provided in each recipe. If you find that a particular recipe yields more servings than you need, consider having the recipe or using the leftovers creatively in other meals throughout the week. Additionally, be mindful of expiration dates and prioritize using ingredients that are nearing their expiration. 4. Explore new recipes. One of the greatest benefits of a yearly meal subscription is the opportunity to try new recipes and expand your culinary horizons. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and experiment with different flavors and cuisines. Many subscription services offer a wide variety of recipes to choose from, so take advantage of the opportunity to discover new favorites. 5. Customize your preferences. Most meal subscription services allow you to customize your preferences based on dietary restrictions or personal preferences. If you have specific dietary needs or preferences, take the time to update your profile accordingly. This will ensure that the recipes and ingredients provided align with your specific requirements, making the experience even more enjoyable. 6. Make it a social experience. Meal subscriptions are not only a convenient meal solution, but can also be a fun and social experience. Consider involving your family or friends in the meal planning and cooking process. This not only creates an opportunity for quality time together, but also allows everyone to contribute their ideas and preferences, making the meals even more enjoyable. 7. Take advantage of additional benefits. Some meal subscription services offer additional benefits such as cooking tips, nutritional information, and access to cooking communities. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your cooking skills, learn more about nutrition, and connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for cooking. In conclusion, a yearly meal subscription can be a great way to simplify your meal planning and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals without the hassle of grocery shopping. By following these tips and tricks, you can maximize the benefits of your subscription and make the most out of this convenient and cost-effective meal solution. Happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys.